when you're mixing your colors, just squeeze a little bit of paint onto your paint palette. If you were to make the OK sign, but then shrink it up and make it real small, about that much or about as much as your thumbnail or a dime. We want our two primary colors to be separate. Don't put them on top of each other. Also, just start with two. Don't have the third primary in there. We'll paint yellow first. Yellow is the lightest color, and we don't need to wash our brush. But then when we're trying to make yellow, orange, orange, and red orange, all we have to do is this. This is how you make a yellow orange. You're going to dip just the tip of your brush into the red paint. Now go over to your yellow puddle and mix the whole puddle of yellow into what's hopefully yellow orange. It should be a yellowish orange. See how that tiny little bit of red turned that whole puddle? That looks more like regular orange to me. So we need to add a smidge more, just a little bit, control it. Keep your puddle in one little spot if you can. We don't want to spread it all over the paper plate because then your paint is on the plate and not ready for painting. Still not there. A little bit at a time. There we go. Now we have a yellowish, or the color yellow-orange. Paint the Y-O on your paper. Yellow-orange. To make regular orange, we don't need to wash our brush. We'll just dip our brush into the red. Now into what's left of that yellow-orange color. Orange is red, is a lot stronger of a color than yellow, so it changes it pretty quickly. Alrighty, then you paint your orange. For red orange, take another little scoop of your red, mix it into your orange puddle, and you should come up with a reddish orange, the color red orange on the color wheel. Finally, we can paint the color red without washing our paintbrush. Here's the trick. You're going to take your paintbrush and wipe it on the ridges of the paper plate, getting off as much paint as you can, but keeping your brush hairs happy. See how I'm just wiping like this, but faster? You don't want the bristles to spread out and have a bad hair day. Then it's clean enough that the red will absorb any of that orange that you had left. You can paint your red spots. After that, we do need a clean brush.